Hello, welcome to Cryptocurrency Street. I am Violet. Today is the 18th of June, 2022. This video we will talk about Bitcoin plunges below $20,000 after recent Fed's historic rate hike. Bitcoin trading below $20,000. At the moment, the world's flagship crypto is changing hands at 19,227 on the leading European Bitstamp platform, printing a long red hourly candle which pushed the price 6.58% down. Prior to that, 3 days ago, the U.S. Federal Reserve conducted another historic interest rate hike in an attempt to tame the growing inflation in the country, when the consumer price index went up 8.6%. That was the biggest rate hike in almost 30 years. Since 1994, the rate was increased by 75 basis points. The news back on the day it was announced made Bitcoin rise about 4%, but then it slightly dropped. The previous major rate hike was made by the Fed during the first days of May, when it was increased by a half percentage point. That was the biggest hike in 22 years. The reaction of Bitcoin was similar to the current one. First it held steady and then started falling down. Other factors that have pushed BTC below $20,000. Now, combined with other bearish factors, the red crypto market and its overall capitalization going below 1 trillion, along with multiple liquidations on the market, the stories with Luna, Celsius crashing and 3 Arrows Capital filing for bailout have pushed Bitcoin below the $20,000 level. This was a historic high for BTC reached in December 2017, followed by a crypto winter that was the first big S for the leading digital currency, which allowed other cryptocurrencies to follow to major highs. Peter Schiff expects a dead cat bounce from $8,000. Prominent Bitcoin critic, CEO of Euro Pacific Capital and Schiff Gold, Peter Schiff, who has been criticizing BTC for years, has taken to Twitter to share a Bitcoin chart where he shows a likely fall of Bitcoin below the $10,000 level to test $8,000. He tweeted that BTC might demonstrate a dead cat bounce off that level before it goes well lower. He warned Bitcoin holders that this could be their final chance to sell it while it is holding above $10,000. This is not the first time this year that Schiff has shared an expectation of Bitcoin falling below $10,000. However, recently, as covered by You Today, he tweeted that his bearish prediction for BTC collapsing to $20,000 and Ethereum plunging to $100 had come true by nearly 100%. If you wanna step into cryptocurrency field, it is time to action. Click the link below and register Lbank Exchange and start to earn. This is Crypto Street. See you next time.